All right, y'all. Quick little recap of our trades today. And as you can see, US 30 by the hit our target one, running in big profits. Let's go. So as you guys see, US 30 been bullish. Not it's been actually bearish, but we saw that we have a reversal. Let's go in the 4 hour time frame. All right. See that we have a reversal that happened down here. That a mark from that reversal point, market been bullish. We even have a gap down here. But I'm a person that we going with the trend, not what I want to happen, but how I feel things should happen, but with the trend. Okay. So as you can see, I have 2 arrows here. I'm looking at this zone right here. Our price keep fluctuating here, and I'm looking, okay, we have some lower highs right here. You know, if price decide to break out of here, we might see a push to this downside, at least back to the structure over here. But if price break above this upside, I'm gonna see price hit my other supported resistance line over here, or at least come a little close around this level. So it was simple with that, just patiently wait. But obviously, one thing you notice is what price broke out of those lower high trends over here, breaking structure, and we have common rejection points, and we see that price broke up on this level. Okay, so if we go back to the 15, right? Oh, TP1 smash, easy. Let's go. So if we go back to 15-minute time frame, we see that the market pulled back, retest off the structure here, and then as it started rejecting, it was a beautiful trade to take to the upside. TP1 just smashed as well, 1,000 pips. Let's go. I didn't want to curse, but let's go, man. Let me update my chat real quick before finish this right here. Reply. Showing on TP1 smash 2 at a 2-0 today. Smash money backs. Boom. Let me send this a screenshot of this in the chat just so they can have it. Let's go. 1 second, y'all. Update my signal group. Make sure everybody's profitable. They see that we winning and they can secure profit if they're not paying attention on the charts. So that's US 30. And US 30 you see is pushing. It's looking beautiful. Now gold on the other hand is also pushing, looking beautiful. I'm still in this trade. Pull back a little bit. Your boy took some re-entries because I know price is going to this negative 618. Let's go. Right. I took entry from down here, so I'm still massive profit. Let's go. So with gold, right? We know that price was creating some lower highs over here, lower highs, right? And price did break out of this mini kind of trend line over here, right? And it's just like US 30 price been rallying up to the upside. So go back to the small time frame. Those like a lot of lines, but so there's two things to either happen: price break out of this structure we see here, and it's gonna come completely dump down to this next zone, or we was gonna have price break out on the upside to continue going up. Now, one of my main reason why I expected price to go, we notice we have massive liquidity up here, right? Imbalances. Not only do we have massive liquidity, right? When you do the fib retracement the opposite way, let's do it real quick. When you do the fib retracement from high to low, right? Looking for the sell position, right? We noticed that price was only at the 38%. It did not hit the 618, nor did 50%, right? And that already signified to me, like, listen, price got to come a little higher, at least to that 50% hit off structure before we decide to get the reversal to the sell, which is our TP2, right? So as we see, that's what price inject from. I'm expecting price to kind of spike up a little bit over, but it don't have to, right? But that's what I was expecting price to go to. So once as you see, I had a structure here. So if price had actually broke out of the structure here, I was going to look for to start taking a sell. But once I saw price give us that rejection, that doji candle, it was game time. It was game time, baby. So I was like, so I took the setup. Those are on the call. I'm like, I'm buying. Send the signal in my chat. Price never came back. No drawdown. Just straight up hit a target. Now price spiked up heavily, right? As we can see off this 1 minute candle, boom, smacked our TP2. That's because we had saw some high impact news, and as you can see for the Joe's job openings, we have positive news, and if you read that as well for the currency, right, and that affected the market more than these other news. Why is this? For some reason this is not opening up, right? It tells you why it's good for the currency. I'll review that another time. But anyways, and the same for US 30. So, we've been pushing, hitting our targets, making money, and that's how we do it. We got on this market. I sent the link in the chat, what, 9:20? I didn't take this trade until, what time is this? I'm going to tell you what time I took this trade. I didn't take this trade until 10 o'clock, right? And at 10 o'clock, it's now 10:26, and we made enough money. That's a weekly paycheck and a 9 to 5. Let's go.